Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you 30 combinations over 30 days to the end of 2020, building to a beautiful routine. So if you haven't seen the previous ones, please check them out. And today we're bringing it into our upper body. If I haven't said before, the music in this one, to start off, it's quite slow and melodic. So we're really channeling that emotive energy. And today we are doing some beautiful snake arms. So remember, with your snake arms, it starts in the shoulder. So you can just roll your shoulders out. And we're always rolling our shoulders back with our snake arms. So think about the roll back. And then when you're ready, bringing one up, we're bringing our shoulder, elbow and wrist. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. So it's like a little wave, but it comes from the shoulder. It's not just up and down, it comes from the shoulder. And try and keep your arm around shoulder height. You don't want it all the way up here or all the way down here, to begin with at least. And your palm is facing down. Other way, comes from the shoulder. That's it. So for this combination, we're starting, bringing our arms up. Then we step, we roll up, and as we bring our arms up, we're still doing our beautiful snake arms. Yes, that's it. Let's come down and rolling up. Just a little practice, keep it soft. Let's go down. We're not going down in the choreography, but nice way to do this one as well. Beautiful. Okay, so we're facing to this side. Our arms come up, and then we're stepping through. Snake, 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 snake. When we reach the top, we're coming to a little shimmy. So remember, with your shimmy, you're bending that knee, the supporting knee, and then straightening it really fast, and you're holding that reach. Let's try the other way. First, arms come up, and snake, 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 shimmy. Other side, arms come up, and snake, 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 shimmy. Other side, arms come up, and snake, 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 shimmy. Good job. So that's a really beautiful move. Feel free to add it into any choreography or any improvisation you do as well. It's really nice to loosen up through your shoulders, especially if you're feeling really stressed for a performance. Doing moves like this will just bring you back into your body, make you nice and relaxed. So that's our combination for today. Please make sure you join me tomorrow to learn our next combination, building towards a beautiful choreography. And also at the end of this week, we're going to bring the combinations together and do it with music, so you can start to see it coming together as a dance. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.